We had to bring Barf and Belch, one of our two-headed turtles, to the vet. I picked them up the other day, as I always do, to check them out, and I noticed there was something in Barf's eye, but I've never seen anything like this. I lightly tried to get it out with a Q-tip, but I couldn't, so I decided to bring him to the vet. After the vet weighed him and gave him a checkup, he tried as well, but he only could clear a little bit. At this time, they're still eating and are sleeping a lot. I've also found them in some really weird positions, but I guess maybe I'm just noticing it now. I can't pinpoint what caused this, especially since Rough and Tough are doing great, but they obviously do have some underlying issues, like their size. While this is one of their clutch mates, who, yes, is albino. But once again, I can't figure out why they're not growing. They're eating super high protein foods like shrimp 2 to 3 times a day. They're offered UVB and calcium, and their water's kept warmer to encourage growth. And on top of that, they're pooping just fine. I'm also really thrown off because the last few months they've been doing amazing. Remember how we were worried that their shell was super soft, even with all that UVB and calcium? But over the last couple months it completely hardened. And same goes for the curl, it even straightened out. I've raised hundreds of baby turtles in the past, but I just can't figure these guys out. I'm just hoping for the best. They have a follow-up in a couple days, and of course I'll keep you guys updated.